Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching me from. Thank you all guys for tuning in. So guys, in case you are new here, you are highly welcome. Please subscribe to this channel, turn on your notification bell so that each time I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. Remember guys, I do a lot of things in this channel, okay? So in today's video, I will be showing you how to dread your natural hair, okay? So it's very easy. This is DIY video. All you need to do is to get just two materials to dread your natural hair. Number one, you have to get your foam, because this is foam guys. So I put this hole like this. I'm the one that do it like this. It's very easy. Then you need hair cream, okay? This is a vegetable oil pomade. I normally use this one for my natural hair, okay? So it's very easy. So let's dash into the video. Okay guys, all you need to do, number one, you see, you have to put it in your palm. You rub your hands together. Rub it on your hair. Massage it very well. Then you get your foam. Very simple guys. Then you start to dread. You can see it now. So easy. See it? Then you continue. See the front? Then you turn it to your other side. You see? You continue. It's so easy guys, very easy. Just hair cream and foam. This is DIY video. So I'm doing the back now. You see? You can see the back. You see the difference? I don't know if you can see it very well. You see it? So guys, it's done. That is it. Very simple to dread your natural hair, okay? So you can see it. So simple guys. That is it. Thank you all so much for watching. In case you enjoyed this video, please do not hesitate to give it a thumbs up till I come your way again. Bye.